The cash flow forecast is one of the most important financial statements in your business. It shows you the amount of cash coming in and going out of the business each month. As you know, cash is really important. It's like the oil in a car. Without oil, the car won't work. The same with your business. Without cash, it'll seize up. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of a cash flow statement so that you get the overall picture. It may be easier if you download Cashflow Forecast at a glance and follow it through with me. The first thing I need to point out is that a cash flow forecast usually covers a 12-month period. For this demonstration, we just have one quarter, 3 months. However, the principles are the same. At the top, you see the income section. This is the money that comes into the business. The main source of income is sales. This should include VAT if you're VAT registered. You should also include any other income here. Maybe you put some money in at the start of the business, or you had a bank loan or grant. Identify them separately and allocate them to the month in which they are likely to be received. You can see in our example that there was a personal investment of £2,500 when the business started in January. The next section of the cash flow is the costs. This is the money going out of the business. You can see a list of different things here, wages and drawings. This is the money you take out of the business for yourself. Rent, the computer, electricity and telephone. For most of these, there is a monthly charge, although the electricity bill is paid quarterly in advance, so appears only in January. There was also an estimate for the equipment that was needed when the business started, as well as ongoing costs for ingredients, so you can make the product. Marketing is another cost that you need to take into account. Again, don't forget VAT if you're VAT registered. Include a separate line for VAT. All the costs are totaled at the bottom of that section. This is done by month, as well as for the total period. Now we can work out our net cash flow. This is simply the total income minus the total costs. In our example, this is a total income in January of £4,500 less total costs of £4,055, leaving us with a net cash flow in that month of £445. Be aware that sometimes this figure may be negative, and that's when you're alerted to consider making some adjustments. You can either increase sales or you can look at your costs and make adjustments there. For example, decrease the amount you spend on marketing. The final 2 lines of the cash flow statement show the opening balance for the month. This is what you have available at the start of the month. And the closing balance, the cash you have available at the end of that month. In our example, we have a closing balance in January of £445. This becomes the opening balance for February. Add it to the net cash flow and you have your closing balance for February. That's £445 plus £280, which equals £725. A negative closing balance means the business needs additional funding. I hope that quick tour showed you how useful the cash flow statement is to manage your business. There's lots more detail in this module, as well as a template for you to create a cash flow statement for your business. So, over to you.